Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a special edition of what's new and what's happening all about the Disneyland Hotel because of course just last weekend the Disneyland Resort opened its newest Disney Vacation Club property over at the Disneyland Hotel, which was the addition of the Discovery Tower, the fourth tower at the Disneyland Hotel, which is almost completely comprised of Disney Vacation Club villas. This is the second Disney Vacation Club property at the Disneyland Resort, and it's a monumental occasion for the property. Disneyland Hotel's newest Discovery Tower features 344 new rooms added to that hotel, of which 326 are exclusive to Disney Vacation Club, leaving just a small number available to book year-round for regular guests. So it is mainly a Disney Vacation Club property, and a lot of those Disney Vacation Club members are really excited about that because Disney Vacation Club villas are a hard thing to come by if you're trying to visit the Disneyland Resort. When you think about unique things that make Disneyland, well, the Disneyland Hotel is definitely one of those things. So when you're talking about adding to this legacy, there's a lot of consideration that has to go in play in adding to something as historical as the Disneyland Hotel. And the rest of the Disneyland Hotel has a theme centered around, of course, Disneyland. So when they went to add a new tower to the hotel, and it was going to be different since it was Disney Vacation Club, there needed to be a little bit of a differentiation. And this tower is actually centered around the storytelling of the Walt Disney Animation Studios versus the theme parks. So you're going to see rooms and theming all throughout the tower, basically themed around your favorite animated movies like Frozen, Princess and the Frog, and Jungle Book, just to name a few. In fact, when you're welcomed home at this new tower and walk through those entry doors, as soon as you walk into the lobby, you're greeted by this amazing new mural that celebrates just that, the legacy of the Disney Animation Studios and all the different movies and characters that you know and love, with this beautiful new mural created exclusively for this particular property at the Disneyland Hotel by Disney animation artist Lorelei Beauvais. She's done things for Princess and the Frog and Encanto, so you'll definitely love just checking this out, finding all the different characters that you know and recognize all over the mural, and a lot of guests were taking pictures in front of this and just enjoying it as they, continue on through the rest of the property. Another way Walt Disney Imagineering actually themed the hotel's tower to pay homage to our favorite animated movies were actually through these colored louvers that go up and down the building. Now, at first I thought these were for privacy, and there's probably a little aspect of that for these particular things being installed, but they actually have a thematic element to them as well. Whereas each specific column, vertical column of these colored louvers represent the colors frame by frame broken down of our favorite animated movies. They had one for Princess and the Frog, Frozen, Mulan, etc. So when you're going to the Disneyland Hotel and you're visiting the villas at the Disneyland Hotel, definitely check out this cool little detail because it definitely caught me by surprise when I was there in person seeing it last weekend. Now, you're probably wondering about rooms and accommodations at this newest addition to the Disneyland Hotel, and since it is a Disney Vacation Club property, you're going to find a wide mix of villas ranging from super small rooms that only sleep 2 people to large, massive 2-story rooms that sleep 9 to 12 people. When I was visiting the resort over opening weekend, I had an opportunity to visit the Deluxe Studio Villa, which accommodates up to 4 guests, and also the 1-bedroom villa, which accommodates up to 5 guests. Now, since these are Vacation Club villas, they sometimes feature a kitchen in the room, which is not something you typically find in a hotel room over at, say, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel or at the other rooms at the Disneyland Hotel. But the 2 rooms I was able to view and look at as far as different configurations, the Studio or Deluxe Studio Villa featured a kitchenette, which is sort of like a small little basic kitchen that has your microwave, your refrigerator, your counter and kitchen sink, and some other small appliances. And then the 1-bedroom villa, which featured a larger kitchen and also a dedicated dining space. Now, both rooms featured spacious bathrooms, but the 1-bedroom villa featured a much larger and more spacious bathroom with 2 sinks on either side of the bathroom, a dedicated area for just the toilet, and then another dedicated area for the shower, with a soaking tub in between. So you've had a chance to see the rooms and accommodations at the new Disneyland Hotel's Discovery Tower, but let's head back downstairs now and out to the pool area to see all the new things waiting for you when staying at the Disneyland Hotel. Now, it already features one of the biggest, if not the best pool complexes in all of the hotels of the Disneyland Resort, but it now just got even bigger. They've added a whole new pool area called the Palette Pool Area, and it also features a splash pad / play area for kids that's themed to Steamboat Willie. Now, it's important to note that the Palette Pool Area is in addition to the Disneyland Hotel's pool complex and is not separate, so any guests staying at the Disneyland Hotel, whether it's in the regular rooms or the villas, all have access to all the pool areas at the Disneyland Hotel. The new Palette Pool Area is also going to feature a brand new bar called the Palm Breeze Bar. Now, this bar isn't quite open just yet. However, if you are visiting the hotel later in 2023, the cast members at the Disneyland Hotel mentioned to us that this will be opening sometime maybe late October or early November of 2023. Some other changes or new additions also showing up at the Disneyland Hotel this week were a brand new look for the Sorcerer Hat entrance to the Disneyland Hotel from downtown Disney. It featured a new paint job in a color scheme very similar to the rest of the towers and, of course, the newest tower, the Discovery Tower. Another new addition at the Disneyland Hotel was the reopening and reimagining of the former Steakhouse 55 Lounge into now just the Lounge. The lounge is going to feature a normal menu of specialty cocktails and drinks, and also some food options for guest dining as well, like pizzas, club sandwiches, and salads. The lounge will be open every day from 5 p.m. to midnight, and on Thursdays through Sundays, it's also going to feature live entertainment. Over at the Fantasia gift shop, just off of the Fantasy Tower where the main lobby is located, we saw a whole new line of merchandise to commemorate the opening of the villas at the Disneyland Hotel, with everything from tumblers to ears to purses, magnets, and even pins. And since Disneyland Hotel is now a Disney Vacation Club property, it also, for the first time ever, features merchandise specific to Disney Vacation Club and Disney Vacation Club members. So definitely go check out the Fantasia gift shop on your next visit. All in all, the bright colors, landscaping, and mid-century modern theme of this newest tower really does a great job of tying in the rest of the Disneyland Hotel's theme while also maintaining a differentiation between the regular hotel and the villas at the Disneyland Hotel. This also marks the 16th Disney Vacation Club property. But what do you think? Are you excited to stay at the villas of the Disneyland Hotel? Are you just excited to see all the new things when you visit the next time? Well, let me know with a comment below, and make sure to hit the like button on this video, as it really helps the channel out and helps the video be seen by other people that might be looking for information about this new tower. But thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.